Yes, we're back, folks, and we got another lady for you. This is a two-owner, perfect Carfax 2013 Ford F-150 XLT crew cab, and this is a 6.5 box, so it's technically a long bed in a F-150. EcoBoost 4x4, loaded up, two-owner, tons of service, solid, clean, straight. So the XLT package is going to give you your basics: so windows, locks, tilt, cruise, CD. Got a CD player, got sync system, so you're going to go ahead and stream all your music and whatnot from your phone right into the car. You're going to have hands-free Bluetooth calling. This car is going to get a guaranteed credit approval program, which is going to be a starting down payment of approximately $1,595. This is a 2013 Ford F-150 4x4 crew cab with a long bed. And it's a nice truck. Tuxedo black. Got the tan interior. Got the twin turbo V6 that just pushes this truck well down the road. Trailer tow package. Nice truck. Factory bed liner. Clean. No abuse on this truck, and it's ready to roll. Fully serviced, safety inspected. 3 months, 4,500 miles over the drive line. Guaranteed credit approval. Free Carfax. Come on, folks. It's income tax time, and these will not last long. Come on down, DasCleveland.com, give it a whip. Bring your info, couple paycheck stubs, possible bank statement, and let's roll out. Truckwise, DasCleveland.com.